My lord, the time has come. Bust a U-turn.
Baxcova, Windsor is our reject.
Everything you did brought you where you are now.
The moment that all people with good taste is almost here.
I look forward to seeing this one.
Over 500 days of antagonizing heartache and pain. But can you believe it, people? We survived. We survived. The final season of Game of Thrones returns this Sunday, that is April 14 on HBO. And if you're a big fan of Game of Thrones like me, then we'll have certain questions we want answered. Like who will sit on the throne? Spoiler alert! I was going to drop some gems for y'all this season, but I feel like some need to make it a little bit more exciting. Not the evil sort of exciting like where Cersei and Dutty Joffrey would have rate. Me a talk like a nice, civil and decent excitement that Ned would have kind of give me some ratings for. So, Supreme Ventures have a competition called Spoiler Alert, where basically what you as the fans them have to do is to just submit a video predicting the ending of each episode leading up to the season finale. So if that means you have to tap into your look inner Miss Cleo, your look inner That's So Raven, instead of need to do it so you can find out the ending. And then when you finish, you post the video online with the hashtag CivilGotsa, hashtag SVLGOTSA. It's simple though, and bear in mind that there are other rules for the competition, you know, but I can't bother list out the one of them right now, so we're gonna put them in the description down here or so. Okay, and just as a little heads up, you need to be 18 years and older to enter the competition because you're not supposed to really watch GOT if you're kind of because you know that. So as the official review boss, I will be doing weekly reviews of Game of Thrones and shall be including some of the best, goodish, and most interesting video submissions in my review.
So here, I say, you don't know, say, Bullaboops this represent, so I feel like, say, Daenerys, she go just use Fear Dragon them and go, so, and everybody go dead off and the show go just done, and so me feel it go. Yeah, man. Make sure, say, you follow me on Instagram, you know?
So get creative, and who knows, we might unearth the next mackerel because right about now she needs some competition like a little baked bean, a little sardine, a little canned beef, you know, something. I know me a Pre Supreme could have called the competition the Games of Thin Food Games. Yeah. Me Iron Throne, you see, if you are a weekly winner, you will receive a party pack of snacks courtesy of Supreme Ventures delivered to you by Mail Pack Local. But, you see, if you are announced as the grand prize winner, besides making you as an unofficial hand to the king, wow, you'll be getting a Supreme Party package for snacks for up to 20 people, so you can host your own Game of Thrones season finale viewing party. Here he. No man, let's say, you're inside. Okay? So that's it. Make sure you start to make your prediction videos them from now. Tap into your inner Melisandre and let me know what the predictions you have for the first episode of Game of Thrones. Me I wait for you, you know, man. Me I wait for you. Make sure you enter. Yeah. Enter. Go on. I'm waiting. Somebody can hurry and push on the chair. So me have to take me a little time. When you could push it around, make it look like me have some special effect type or something there. Well, go on, watch it. What kind of? Watch it. Enter a competition here, man. No, watch it. What kind of? When you could get somebody to do some little special Game of Thrones CGI effect or something to make it look like me disappear. Alright, I just kind of ease out of the chair so maybe it look like me disappear. Me disappear? Woo! Yeah, I'm gone.